Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, as you can see, I have a Louis Vuitton triple unboxing to share with you. This is my first, these are my first Louis Vuitton purchases in over a year, so I'm really excited about them. Unfortunately, it's not a true unboxing. As you can see, I've already unboxed them. I just could not wait and didn't have time to film the day I got them, so anyway, I've put them back in the boxes just for the video, but I love all three items and I'm really excited to share them with you. They are all from the new Spring in the City collection, and there were so many items from that collection that I loved. Louis Vuitton hadn't really put anything out that I really fell in love with in over a year, and so when this collection launched, I was really excited because there were many items that I liked. So anyway, let's get into the unboxing. So I'm gonna start with this box here. And of course it came with all of the ribbon and everything like usual. So here is the dust bag to reveal. This is the Micro Matisse, so it is the miniature version of the Pochette Matisse, and I got it in the beige clair color, although this, to me, it's more of a cream. It looks very similar to my cream Pochette Matisse, regular size Pochette Matisse, and also my cream colored Neverfull. So yeah, I would call this more of a cream. It looks more beige on the website in the pictures, but it's actually more cream. As you can see here, the color is coming up very true to color on screen right now. And yes, this is tiny. A lot of people were shocked at how tiny it is and wishing that it was a little bit larger, but I just find it so cute, and I love the Pochette Matisse. I have a canvas one and an empreinte one. This is empreinte leather, by the way. And if you open it up, it has two compartments, and it comes with this pretty gold chain. This can be worn on the shoulder, and it can also be worn crossbody on me. It's a shorter crossbody though, and I'm only 5'4", so if you're really tall, it may not work crossbody. But I thought the chain was really pretty. It's quite thin and delicate. And I think a thin chain made sense with a bag this size rather than a leather strap. And mine was made in Spain. Here are the, this is just the textile card, and this is the code, and it is on the website too. I actually really love the yellow, and I don't have a yellow bag in my collection, so I'm kind of wishing that I got the yellow, but I mean, I'm happy with this. This will go with everything, so it's so neutral. Let me show it to you quickly next to my regular sized Pochette Matisse, just to give you a sense. See, it's very similar in color, but look how tiny. It would probably fit inside. I'm sure it would fit inside the regular one. So I feel like I could use this on its own. It does fit in this pocket here. It does fit a card holder, and then you can also put car keys, lip gloss, hand sanitizer, a mask. So I mean, it is useful. It fits as much as any sort of micro bag does, and I feel like it's a little bit similar to my Constant Slim. It's actually I think it holds more than that, but I could use this inside large bags, and I can also use it on its own, kind of like the Constant Slim. So, and it's nice that this actually comes with a strap, but the Constant Slim does not. So yeah, that's my first purchase from the Spring in the City collection. I know that a lot of people find this ridiculous, but I love it. So I'm really happy that I got one. I think it's a really cute piece, especially for people like me who are big fans of the Pochette Matisse in general. Okay, so that is the first item. just set this aside. Okay, so the next one is in this box. I was a little surprised that this one came in a magnetic box, but the Micro Matisse came in a drawer box that SLGs come in, so that was a bit strange to me, but anyway. So this one, oh, and you can see it because it's kind of coming out of the dust bag, and of course it came with the ribbon too. So this is the Wapiti case in the Sunrise Pastel colorway, which I am absolutely in love with. As soon as I saw it, I knew I needed to have something in this colorway. It's just so beautiful. I feel like this is what I kind of hoped the Escal collection would be a couple of years ago, and when I ended up seeing them in person, didn't really like them as much. This, I feel like I liked even more once I saw it in person. It's just so pretty. The color combo is so pretty, and it just, I don't know, I feel like it flows better than the Escal collection did. So I don't know, and I just like the colors better. So this Wapiti case is actually a piece that they've re-released. It was a popular item back in the early 2000s, and I had one in the white multicolor. Loved it. No longer have it. Kind of wish I held on to it, but so this is a bit of a nostalgic piece for me because it's a style that is from back when I was first getting into Louis Vuitton and luxury bags. So yeah, so I'm really happy they brought it back, and in this colorway it's just so cute. It comes with the wrist strap, which I believe is leather, and it's this really pretty kind of baby blue green type color, and it has the pink, I guess this is glazing on the side. I'm not sure what you would call it, but so you can use this as a wristlet, and you can also just use it as sort of a catch-all in your larger bags, because this wristlet wrist strap comes off. So I feel like this is a useful piece. I'll show you the inside. So the inside is a cloth lining with, sorry, it's hard to show with this small item, but I'm sure you've seen it before. It's a purple cloth lining with the LV monogram in the different colors. It's really pretty. I do wish it was microfiber. I must admit, I wish that these pieces were microfiber lined, but this one was made in France, and it has a little slip pocket here. And I'll show you the cards. So this is the textile card, and this is the code if you are interested. Again, these pieces are all on the website as well. But yeah, this one, I don't know, it's just really cute. The shape makes it really cute. You kind of have to see it in person. It's, I don't feel like photos do it justice. It's just such a cute piece. Very smooth zipper. And yeah, I'm really happy with it. I'm so happy they re-released the Wapiti. It's such a cute little SLG. Okay, so that is that item, and then the final one is in this larger box. Okay, and it also came with the ribbon. And here is the dust bag to reveal. Oh, so pretty. So this is the Marshmallow Pm, and it is also in the Sunrise Pastel colorway. I absolutely love it. I don't have a bag like this in my collection, which is why I chose this style. I actually did a poll on Instagram, on my Instagram stories, asking what everyone's preference was between this and the On-the-Go PM. The On-the-Go PM definitely was more popular, but I did go with this because I have an On-the-Go MM in reverse monogram. I just thought this would be something different in my collection. It is just a different style bag that I don't own, and I love that it has this handle that can be used as a top handle. It can also be used as a shoulder bag. It moves down like this on either side, so that it's really easy to get into the bag. But it also comes with a crossbody strap, which is really nice. I love a bag that can be worn top handle and crossbody, which the on-the-go PM also can. So here is the strap. Now this strap is canvas, I believe. I wish they did the leather blue strap like they did with the Petite Sac Plat, I think has the leather strap, and the Wapiti. I'm not sure why they did this kind of strap for this one, but I would prefer the blue just because, you know, it's more my color, but this is fine too, and it's adjustable. So the bag can be worn crossbody, and again, the handle can go down. It looks a little better when it's down when you wear it crossbody. And it has that same lining that all of these pieces have, so the same as the Wapiti, that purple cloth lining, which I do wish was microfiber, but this is really pretty. You can see the print a little better here. It's a really pretty print. It has a slip pocket, and mine was made in France. So here are the cards. So that is the textile card, and that is the code. The zipper is really smooth on this. I did watch some reviews of the Marshmallow PM that came out last year. I think it was the Buy with the Pool collection, I believe, and it was an empreinte leather. This one, as you know, is canvas and feels a lot more structured. I think the empreinte one tended to, when you lifted it up with items in it, it would sag. This one does not do that. I have put items in it and it does not do that, which I really like. This canvas on these pieces feels very sturdy and structured. So I think the quality is quite good on these. And what I really love is on the bags, the monogram, the LVs, and the flowers are kind of this raised texture, and they are very shimmery. I don't know if it's coming up as shimmery on camera as it is in person. Whoop. Sorry about that. And I think it's more shimmery in person, but I think you get, oh, okay, if we catch it in the light, you can kind of see what I mean. It's really pretty, and it just adds to the quality of the piece. I feel like this is just, the details are really, really nice. And this is sort of a faux S-lock. It doesn't detach. It's just there for kind of as, I guess, decoration. No, it's not really functional other than it allows the strap to go up and down. And here is the ring that the crossbody strap attaches to. This side is just a Louis Vuitton gold button. There's the other ring. Yeah, it's a really pretty bag. Oh yeah, the bottom has this smaller LV monogram. Yeah, I love it. It's such a pretty bag. It holds a lot and very versatile in terms of how to carry it. So I'm happy with my decision. I do really love the on-the-go PM as well, but don't really think I need two bags in this colorway, although it's tempting. So these pieces come in 3 colorways, the Sunrise Pastel, the Sunset Fuchsia, I think it's called, or no, sorry, Midnight Fuchsia, and Sunset Khaki, I think it is. So Sunrise Pastel was definitely my favorite out of the 3, definitely the most me. And yeah, I'm really happy with both of the pieces that I received. I'm actually waiting for one more SLG to come in. It has not come in yet, but this Wapiti does fit in the Marshmallow, so I can use this as a catch-all inside this bag, which is really nice because I love having matching sets. So anyway, those are the 3 new Louis Vuitton items that I picked up. Really excited to see some new releases that I love from Louis Vuitton because it had been a while. So anyway, if you have any questions about any of the items, please leave those in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks again and have a great day.